So an update, let's see if we can go back here. So let's change this. What can you see? Okay, so you see here it actually broke this channel, and maybe we should have drawn it like this. But I think it's pretty okay like this. I don't like to change it, but instead you can draw another one, right? Now I did change it, so you can draw. Let me fix it over here. So this looks to be more correct, and yeah, so the first, like this part was not part of it. I should have seen that. You just want the guide to begin with, and I mean this is even steeper, so maybe it's just a faster move once it broke something here, and maybe a lot of people are jumping in to get short here once it turned, so maybe it's I don't care if what we see, doesn't matter what happened. We have a character change there, and let's actually create a parallel like this, and we move that one where, like this perhaps. I don't see it. Maybe it's even steeper. Let me see. Delete. No, it's not correct. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay, now we have a lot of them. It's below. Like I always want to have a look at the VWAP, so I probably would have an alert at VWAP just to have a look. And now we had a lot of. Let's delete the first one over here because it is a bit too much. You can create a parallel and put that one up here. That was probably correct. And let's see now if it's within this new channel or if it's gonna come up over here. Also at VWAP, sometimes it's like I don't know what you call it, like a fake out or like a fake breakout below VWAP, for example, how could happen. So in that case, we have first entry long here, if you count it that way. So this would be first entry long, and you wouldn't take the first entry long, but you could take the second entry long normally, right? So I don't know if I should pause the video. I need to look at some other things, so maybe I'll do like this. Oh my god, it's moving again. I'm so happy with this trade. Yeah, it's a lot of money printing in this one for me. Let me check these ones. This one's not behaving as I anticipated, but I think, yeah, I'm not gonna say. Seems like I was wrong on that one, and this one's coming down to 5 MA on the daily. I have it recounted, so like you see 390. So I wanted to print the daily 5 MA, but on the smaller time frame, because it often bounces there. and I'm short Tesla, and I'm long the other stuff. Let's see, what was that? So Mandy is crossing up. So we have a bullish over and under line here. So the last 15-minute bearish candle over here, like the big one, the lowest one. Now it so it came up below that, break of structure, came back down, under. Now it goes up again. Now actually, let's see if I have any money left to add. So I'm gonna add ignore. Yeah, I added. A bit late. Talking too much. Being slow. I lost. Yeah. 0.8 on that. Well, maybe 0.6 actually. So maybe a top ticket here on the 100. I should have let it come up and then come back. Yeah. I should have. Yeah. I could have waited. It's probably gonna. I think it might come back again to test this. But I think that's fine. That volume, I saw it was like, it's going to do something like that. So that volume is pretty indicative of someone, we're coming close to 10 and someone wants to get in, right? That's what I see. At end of, like this is when the institutions are coming in at the end of the day, and you'll see what, you will have a clearer image of what might happen, what they think of where the price should be. So most things I have are on the right side at the moment. Not that one. I'm on the right side, but they were selling that. Okay, yeah, it's a shit company, like, probably, but also this. But I think they're playing games on this one, because those news are pretty good. Yeah. What do I know? Actually, not much in about the news, but it's like my intuition says, from what I've seen, that type of news usually is really well received, which it was. But yeah. I follow the action and observe, try not to predict too much. So yeah, it's still holding this channel on the Qs. And let's see if it can get below this one. And instead it's within this one. So my target here for the day was around here or here, and if you would draw it on the 30 minutes, let's move this one. Let's see if I can redraw this. So I don't like that. Maybe this is more relevant. I don't like these weird VIX. I mean, how much volume is it in this part? Not sure. I'm gonna ignore that. And let's see. So this I want a bit normal thickness. And yeah, so there it is. So it's coming down here. So targets are here. Wait. Targets are here, here, and down here on this one. So let's see where it comes. Set alert. That would be 1% more, and that would be how much? 2% of, okay, it could go further. I mean, yeah, it's been moving 4% many of the days. I think I wanted to pull back down to the EMAs, the 10 and the 20, 9 and 20 in my case. I wanted to come back here into it, so maybe they can meet tomorrow or in 2 days down here, and then if it holds there, that level, we'll probably see a lot of real good continuation setups forming during these days here. And let's see what the other ones are doing. I don't want to watch that one. TBLT, still getting bought. This one is getting sold. This one, some type of equilibrium. Yeah, okay, someone sold there. This one also equilibrium here. It's holding up here, which is pretty strong. Yeah, I think this might go. I want to hold this as long as I can. I'm trying to tell myself. Yeah, I think, yeah, I have a tendency of selling too early, because this market taught me, the last 6 months taught me to sell early, and now I have to rethink. That's the difficult part. So it's almost 10 till, yeah, it's 3:48. Let's have another look. So Tesla is on, what's that level? Why did I draw this? Okay, yeah, it's over here. Q still printing. Yeah, I think it's gonna probably come down to here today. And during open. We'll need to print pretty fast, 2 candles here. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe it comes only to here, to over here, 286. Yeah. I think I should draw in that level. Could make sense. And levels are areas rather than exact, except for broadening ranges that are exact. Now I didn't draw it exact, but that's the difference, because they have different functions. Okay, live trading. Woohoo! Looks weak. Very weak. Don't like. Yeah. I hope it holds 5. Shouldn't hope. What's this? Okay. Set alert. Set another one down here. This one is like really rangy. It's like down 8%, up 10%. Right, up 8%, down 8%, up 10%. It's just like, but it's going up every day, but it's like being really day traded within these, and that's like, let the day traders have their party in here, and that's why low day is so important, and in very volatile ones you can take low of the day before breakout instead, and smaller positions. Okay, let's see. I didn't draw this one perfectly. Like this? No. Like that. There's no perfection here. Trying to let go of my perfection gene. Okay. A lot of volume. People like this one. Institutions. So that's 100 times 1, 2, 300,000, 300,000. That's 3 million, 30 million in 3 candles. Dollars, both in 15 minutes here. On VWAP, let's see how they treat it around VWAP. Still buying. Yeah, most larger positions, or I'm looking to the right. Most larger positions here. I can put it here. 8,000. That was a sell down, tick down. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, yeah, there's a pretty good level there. Should draw that. Over here. Let's move it to 5. Okay, but that's further down. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a VWAP here. What happened with it? Oh no, I lost it. I'm going to move that back. It's still mostly green on the bigger prints. Some people are very aggressive selling, so that's why it went down. Like, it's not a lot of volume, but they're just like hitting the bid, I guess. The spread is pretty sizable spread. Can't see it. Why can't I see it? Really hate it when they don't show it here. This program is stupid. Where do I see it? Details. That's it. Spread, 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 spread. Can't find it. Price volume. I wonder where they show the spread here. Annoying. Oh, I can see it in the list. Okay, so it's 0.17%. Okay, it's not huge. Let's get back to queues because that's why I'm doing the video for you guys. Okay, so it actually went beyond that. It's coming down to my real targets here, which is the first one. So, okay, I should have had a level there. Okay, I'm selling. Oh, let me see the other program.
If you're using useless retail trade.
Okay, sold third. This, where did you have it? Like this, right? Something like that. No. This program is not used to doing it in such a small view. I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, let's move this away. And what time is it? It's 2-3 minutes. Okay, it's only 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So it also, of course, can continue after market, right? Post market. Now I need to shift over to my news. Here. Gonna do a fast walkthrough. See if I need to sell something. This one I should have sold. Okay. Don't like that. It often happens in these biotech names. They want to shake people out, and also day traders want to get out. I think that's how it works. So they work a bit differently. This one is. Okay, yeah. I'll hold some for the pre-market. Now I'm moving over to Seeking Alpha to get the news for earnings in post-market. So I'm not going to record that. So this will be the end of the recording, and we hit the target here on the Qs, and this was part 2 of the video. I stopped the last one, and then I continued when I saw it continued here, and so you guys could be, because it did an interesting thing where it changed from this channel to this deeper one. So I wanted to record that as a follow-up on the second entry short here that I showed you, and the bearish under and over setup. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and you can also ask me questions at Kulturdesken, in that's Swedish for cultural desk, on Twitter. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video, and take care.